Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be trying on and reviewing two ponytails that was sent to me courtesies of Insert Name Here. If you aren't familiar with Insert Name Here, they are a hair brand that provides high quality hair extensions, clip-ins, wigs, accessories, the whole nine. They provide everything on their website. Like I said, their website is listed down below in the description box. Also, make sure you head over to their website, and if you feel like purchasing anything, you can use the code Keyera to get 15% off your order today. So make sure you go ahead and take advantage of that discount code, because trust me, it's going to be worth it. The website will be linked down in the description box. This video, I will be reviewing this wig, the Shayla that I am wearing right now, and this is a loose wave ponytail, and I also will be reviewing the Miya, and that is a straight 26-inch synthetic ponytail as well. The clip on that I have on right now, this is the Shayla. It does come in 21 other shades, and for the Miya wig, that does come in 31 other shades. Just a run back of what the packaging looks like. I'm probably going to show y'all this 100 times, but this is what their packaging looks like. This is what the front of this looks like. So this is the Miya wig, and then this is the packaging for the Shayla wig, and this is what that looks like. It comes in these cute little bags that you can store your clip-ins in so that they don't get damaged or whatever. And this is what the packaging actually came in through the mail, so that's really cute. It has like the load inside. That is so cute to me. And I'm a sucker for good packaging. So it did come with, included with the ponytail, there was 2 bobby pins, and also for each ponytail there was 2 hair ties, as y'all probably could see in one of the thumbnails. And the thumbnail that I'm probably wearing the hair tie, maybe not, I don't know. I feel like I like the picture when I was taking. I hope it's in the thumbnail. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So first, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my hair and how I got my 4C hair to slick up into this ponytail. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm doing is separate my hair into 4 sections. I am adding a little heat to my hair so I can stretch my hair out a little bit for the ponytail, because my hair is freshly washed and the shrinkage is real, y'all. So I needed to put it in 4 sections and add a little heat to it. Normally I will hot comb my hair a little bit and then flatten it out with some normal flat irons, but the hot comb was just smoking, so I just decided to not do the second round of heat because it was just too much. So I actually didn't straighten my hair as much as I normally would. So now I'm just putting my hair into another section. So I'm just sectioning the middle of my hair, because this is where the middle of my ponytail is going to be. I find it easier to put my hair in a ponytail in the middle and then do the perimeter of my head, because my hair is a little bit shorter and it makes sure my ponytail is super secure. So I'm actually putting these outer portions in a section just so I can put the middle portion in a ponytail. So to slick my hair, I'll be using the Edge Booster hold number 5. This is the only hold that holds my hair up for the longest. And I know they have different like scents or whatever, but the hold number 5 is the one I always use. When I tried to use number 3, it did not work for me. So as y'all can see, I'm putting that section in the ponytail. It doesn't really matter how much you put on the center, because you're going to put more on the outside anyway. So now you just see me slicking that up. And my edges are really thin because I've been wearing frontals and stuff, y'all. So I've been giving that a break. So that's why my edges are really thin. So I kind of had to make my own baby hairs, because to be completely honest, my baby hairs are like non-existent. So I had to make my baby hairs from some of my actual hair. But that's what y'all gonna see me here doing in the next step. Another thing is, like with baby hairs, I don't really have a method on doing my baby hairs. I kind of just take it and just keep brushing and swooping and just all this unnecessary stuff just to try to make them look super neat and nice. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and review the Miya first, or try on the Miya ponytail first. So it comes in this cute zip up bag like this, where you can store the ponytail in. So what I got inside the bag was a hair tie, which is really cute. I think I want to put this on today, honestly, because that hair tie is so cute. And I also got the ponytail, of course. And it came in like a little net mesh net to keep the hair like from tangling and stuff like that. Now this is synthetic hair. You can add heat on this hair to like up to 320 degrees. So this is a 26-inch straight vegan synthetic ponytail. It does come with a full wraparound. As you can see, this little piece is a little bit shorter than the rest of the ponytail. And it also comes with 2 bobby pins. Come with the clip there so you can clip it onto your ponytail. There's also Velcro, so once you wrap it around, it Velcros around to the other side and it snaps on, so that makes sure the ponytail is super secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I hope this straight looks right on my hair. My hair is like a brown, like a, I feel like my hair is like a 1B. I need this. My little ponytail piece is a little bit too big. I thought my ponytail was gonna be the right size. Okay, let's wrap it. This was super easy. Y'all don't know how much I struggle with doing ponytails because I be using like separate individual track pieces. Now this is a game changer for me because I don't really like to use the track pieces that much because I feel like my ponytails just always end up looking like super raggedy, like when I do it that way. Now this little piece is tangled right here. I think I'm just about to cut it out because I don't want that piece to like start snagging other pieces. Oh no, we good. Okay, it did come out, so that little piece did come out, but I kind of had to like wiggle it out so that it wouldn't like damage other pieces. So this is what it's looking like. This is how long it is. It comes like a little bit under my boob. I am 5'4", so that's how long it is. This is what it's given. I really do like it. I think honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like because I like my ponytail super full, I probably would go with like more than one. I honestly want to try this look with like 2 ponytails, like, you know what I'm saying? Because, and also I feel like my ponytail could be like a little bit higher, if you ask me. Like I should have pulled my ponytail like a little bit higher. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like it should be like right here. But I think it's cute though. I feel like the next clip-on is gonna match my hair a little bit better because I am natural 4C 4B hair. So I feel like the next ponytail is gonna match my hair just a little bit better. Let me go ahead and take some of the pictures with this one on and then I'll be right back. Alright, so the next wig that I'll be trying on is the Shayla, and I also have this in jet black. So this is a 26-inch loose spiral wave. It also has the full wrap. You can also add heat to up to 320 degrees, and it's also a vegan synthetic fiber. And it comes in a different color package. I'm guessing like their wigs, not wigs, I'm guessing their ponytail clips may come in like different packages for whatever one you get. So this is what that one looks like. It still has like that zip up pouch where you can store the clip on in. And it also comes with a hair tie. So this is what that one looks like. It also has the comb to clip the ponytail and also has the Velcro strap with the extended shorter piece for the wraparound. So let's go ahead and put this baby on. I feel like I'm gonna like this one better as far as like the way my hair texture is, because my hair texture is a little bit different than that straight one. So let's see. I'm sorry, y'all, I gotta get into it because last time I got some hair caught in the Velcro, so I'm not trying to do that this time.
So I did forget to mention that when you're ordering your ponytail, your clip-ins online, you can actually do a color match. So you can take the color match quiz on their website, or you can DM them and ask them to do the color match quiz for you, and they'll just ask you to send a picture of your natural hair and natural lighting.
Okay, so I need to fix my hair really quick because this little piece just keeps coming out. All right, so this is what this finishing product is looking like. I actually like this one way better because it actually mimics my hair texture a little bit more than the straight ponytail. I think do I want to put this on there? I feel like the hair tie is going to give it a little bit more like razzle dazzle. I'm not going to wrap it around. I'm just going to place it there and just see what we given. But I actually like this. I like the hair tie on it too. I don't know if I like the hair tie better or what y'all think. I think I'm gonna take a picture with both. Let me go ahead and take these pictures. Hold on. Alright y'all, so that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to check out Insert Name Here. Their website is linked down below. And if you want to go ahead and purchase any of these ponytails or other ponytails that I have on their site, you can use the code Keyera to get 15% off your order. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you have the notifications turned on so you don't miss my upload videos. I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching.